This is Daryl Terry, and this is my week 6 Java um, video for the War Card game. This is the final project. I'll begin by running the program and letting you see how that works. So I made it slightly interactive, asking for if the user wants to play. So I'll say no first, and there's my smart alert remark. If you don't want to play, we'll rerun it. And I've given multiple options to answer yes, various ways to answer yes. And so now I'm asking for the player's name and the computer. You're playing against the computer. Display the deck, the new deck that's instantiated. Shuffle the deck. And I will now deal the cards. Cards have been dealt, and now you see the play begins. You also notice that there's a time delay. I found I didn't like how the game ran and displayed and ran through everything so quickly. So I looked up how to introduce a time delay into a Java program. Some of the programming that I've done in my career, it's very simple to add a time delay. So I thought might as well try that here. And so I found a method. And so I created a method using which I'll show you later, and introduced that time delay in various parts of the program so that you can see the play as it progresses, and it indicates or allows you to see the value of each card and the score and who won that hand. And so then you see displayed the final score and the winner. Look, I won this time. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, so this is the main app. You see here where I'm asking for user input, and created an if statement for them to decide, for the person to decide if they want to play or not. I introduce the players and instantiate a deck. Here's my time delay method, which I will show you at the bottom. Shuffle the cards. Here's the shuffle, and then the description of the shuffled cards. This is some test code that I was using. I left it in there. And then I am drawing one card per player within this loop, describing each card. And then this is where you display the cards for the gameplay. Increment the score and display the final score. And so then you see a method I use to separate various parts of the program, and this is my time delay method, which I use to introduce about a 2-second delay between various parts of the program. And so for my classes, here's the card class where I instantiate or create the card, and my getters and setters, and the describe method. Here's my deck class where I import the various java.util classes that I needed. Create the deck. This is the for loops that create the deck, and shuffle the deck. And then this is how I draw the cards. And then finally, my player class describes the player. Well, let's see here. Yeah, creates the hand list, adds a card to the hand, and describes the player, shows the card, and increments the score. And there's my getters and setters for that. That's the end of this video.